Makita's 18 volts LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless 4-speed 0.5 inches square drive impact wrench W. Friction ring anvil. Tool only provides improved fastening control. Ideal for automotive, installation, and fabrication trades. The impact wrench combines extended runtime and speed control for unmatched fastening performance. It is powered by a Makita-built brushless motor for a longer runtime. The brushless motor delivers 240 feet-pounds of max torque and 430 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. Precise fastening control is achieved through the 4-speed power selection switch, which accounts for a wide range of applications. 3 forward and 3 reverse rotation auto-stop modes offer increased efficiency when the fastener is adequately loosened. The full-speed mode function reduces the trigger pull to reach full speed. This features Makita's extreme protection technology, a protective seal inside the tool. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It is designed to improve a tool's operation in harsh conditions by channeling water and dust from key internal components. It is part of Makita's 18 volts LXT system. The LXT cordless system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18 volts lithium-ion slide-style batteries, takes a user from power tools to outdoor power equipment to get the job done. Makita 18 volts LXT batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. Batteries are sold separately for improved tool performance and extended battery life. Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18 volts LXT lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. BL Brushless Motor delivers 240 feet-pounds of max torque and 430 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. Number 2. Compact and ergonomic design at only 5.06 inches long. Number 3. 4-speed power selection switch for precise fastening control in a wide range of applications. Number 4. 3 forward and 3 reverse auto-stop modes for increased efficiency. Number 5. The full-speed mode function reduces trigger pull to reach full speed. Number 6. Efficient BL Brushless Motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. Number 7. The electronically controlled BL Brushless Motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Number 8. Extreme Protection technology is engineered to provide improved dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. Number 9. Built-in LED light with an independent on/off switch illuminates the work area. Number 10. Weighs only 4.0 pounds with battery for reduced operator fatigue. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.